line, so I'm making fine. But I don't even know what I'm saying right now, yeah. I've been playing all the games that you've been telling me to do, but I can't do right shit. I can't do my freestyles where I don't know what to say right now and now. I don't even know what I'm saying right now. I can't even do the things that they wanted me to do. Playing that shit with a no solo game, with the solo, with the low toe. I've been playing a low toe with the toe when I don't know what I gotta say. Make up my mind and pretend that I'm fake, cause the fuckers are fakers and worse than their haters. Been watching this shit from the house that they get it. And you got a problem that suck on their fingers. I bet you got sick from the bros, yeah. I did not you ask for the cock pose, yeah. Rồi, rap to my head dài thì
Bersama